Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is JIV, aka Nailfertiti. It's Nailfertiti on TikTok and it's @_Nailfertiti on Instagram. So I'm doing this Valentine's Day very simple freestyle on long coffin nails. So here I am just using Valentino Beauty Pure, the color Bad and Bougie for the base for this set. Valentine's Day is absolutely one of my favorite holidays to do, like holiday themed nail sets. Valentine's Day and Halloween are definitely some of my favorites. So during the month of February, I wanted to, because it's Black History Month, the month for Black excellence, I wanted to drop a video every week for this month, and hopefully that continues a trend for the rest of the year. Just drop a video every week. And I'm excited for this video because this is the first time I'm creating or dropping a YouTube video with, doing nails on an actual client versus my own nails, which is exciting. Making it seem like I actually have some clients. On Instagram, there was a nail tech talking about tips that helps with timing. And one of her tips was like, limit conversation as much as possible during the application process. And I realized for me, that really is the longest part of, the whole process of doing nails. And I realized the less I talk during that time, the faster I get with doing nails. But also practice makes you go faster as well. I realize now, like when I first started doing nails, it literally took me about 5 hours to do a basic set. Now I can do a basic set within, like, if I'm not talking at all and it's like a shorter set, I can do that within like an hour and a half. But if it's like a longer set, like 2 hours, 2.5, less than 3, I've been noticing I've been going a lot faster lately with doing nails, and I'm so happy because I love seeing progress within the journey of like doing nails. Honestly, one of the most annoying things about doing nails is that it does take time for you to get comfortable and for you to get good, but like seeing the progress is amazing because it's just like I'm getting better just like I intended to. Another tip for nail techs is definitely invest in the cover powders. Valentino Beauty Pure is the only place where I get my cover powders from. I love the consistency, and it works well with Mia's Secret Monomer, which is great. I only use Mia's Secret Monomer because it's the cheapest on the market, because Monomer, as a nail tech, it goes quick. And I've actually been trying to limit my, monomer consumption during the time because I feel like I'm using too much, It's crazy because I've been doing nails for 3 years now and I still find areas where I need to get better. Lately I have been feeling like I've been struggling with creativity. And I feel like as a nail tech, sometimes you get into the rhythm of recreating other people's sets. And like, I love freestyling. I want to freestyle and do that more. But it's just like you get into the habit of recreating. It kind of sucks the creativity out of you, because like you're just recreating sets. And like, that's it. Just, you get really good at doing nails and copying styles and stuff, but I want to be able to be the one that gets copied, and I can't do that if I'm not freestyling. It's a little frustrating sometimes being a full-time nail tech because you feel like you have to do what the customer wants, and like, like you just have to do what the customer wants, which is like really annoying. But now I have a policy that says, like, if you want a recreation set, that's cool, but it's not going to be exact recreations. Like I will be, you know, putting my own spin on the set. Because Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holidays, I just love pink and hearts and love and all of that stuff. I decided that I wanted to make holiday boxes because I saw at Dollar Tree like they had the cutest Valentine's Day themed like little magnetic closed boxes, which were really good because like you can use them for storage and everything. So I had the idea to create the boxes, which they have like, you know, face masks, candy, conversation hearts, of course, a little manicure kit, a lip scrub, a cuticle oil pen, also some edibles because, you know, it's 2023. We all do it. Um, and a little like teddy bear and like a card that had like a discount code that I'm offering for the month of February. So I do have like a $14 off of freestyle sets for February. And that's another thing that nail techs can utilize in order to get more clientele. But be wary about the discounts because a lot of times, like, you'll get a lot of clients who only come to you for the discounts, which is not the worst thing because at least you have a client. But then those clients don't, like, sometimes, at least in my experience, the clients who only come to you for the discount sets and the sales and stuff, they don't usually tip. You know, they only come whenever you have a sale, which I don't have sales monthly. So yeah, they only come whenever I have a sale, which is a little frustrating because like just continue to be a regular client. But I really loved doing the holiday boxes. It was something different and creative to do outside of doing nails that will be making me money. And I have set the prices for the holiday boxes as $15. And I also have $10 holiday bags. And the only thing that they don't have is the edibles. The bags don't have the edibles in them. But yes, that's an idea. I will be making a TikTok also about that, but that's an idea for nail techs to do to like kind of have your clients coming back because they can get the little holiday goodies and, you know, stuff like that. Clients like the little things like that. It's very cute, so I like it too. And another idea for nail techs, if you give out free snacks like chips or candies, a good idea would be to like tape business cards to the bags of chips that you hand out. So then, you know, you're passing out cards and clients are getting a free snack as well. Can we please talk about how I chewed this shape up? Now, this is a coffin set. So because this is a simple freestyle, I want to do a very cute, simple, like Day ombre French tip design with an airbrush. So first, I'm just using this like neon hot pink to create the French tip. Within the past couple months, hand painting French tips has actually become one of my favorite things to do on clients. I think I do French tips with every freestyle design I do. Now I'm using my airbrush machine and a purple gel polish to create an ombre effect at the tip of the nail. I also use stencils to airbrush hearts on the nails, and this is the final product of these Valentine's Day French tips. Thank you guys again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share the videos. And have a great day. And have a great Valentine's Day as well. See y'all next time.